In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Craigslist account. If you're new to Craigslist or just need a refresher on how to access your account, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Craigslist website. You can do this by typing craigslist.org into the address bar and hitting enter. If you're in a specific region like Manila or New York, you might want to select your location from the home page to ensure you're accessing the right listings for your area. This can help you find local jobs, housing, or items for sale more easily. Once you're on the Craigslist homepage, take a look at the top of the page. You'll see a link labeled Account or ASACT in the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on that link to proceed to the login page. This will take you to a secure area where you can enter your login details. Now, on the login page, you'll see two fields. The first field is for your email or handle. Enter the email address or handle associated with your Craigslist account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. If you're using a shared computer, you might also want to check the Keep Me Logged In option for convenience. Next, move on to the second field, which is for your password. Carefully type in your password. It's important to ensure that your caps lock is off and that you're typing the password exactly as you set it up, including any uppercase letters, numbers, or symbols. If you happen to forget your password, Craigslist provides an option to reset it, which you can find on this page as well. Once you've entered both your email and password, take a moment to review your entries for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, click on the Login button. This will direct you to your account dashboard where you can view your postings, create new listings, or manage any account settings. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Craigslist account. Remember, keeping your login information secure is important, so avoid sharing your password with others and consider changing it regularly for added security. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password, and ensure your internet connection is stable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day exploring Craigslist.